Hi friends. Welcome back to Learn English Naturally. I'm Emma. Today, I have a fun challenge for you. Can you find the mistake in these English sentences? I'll read each sentence. Pause the video, try to find the mistake yourself, and then play it again to check your answer. Let's begin. Sentence 1. He is a student of Oxford University. What's wrong here? We don't say, of Oxford University. The correct sentence is, he is a student at Oxford University. When we talk about specific institutions, like universities or schools, we use at, not of. Alright, second sentence is, I saw that news on the newspaper. Can you spot the mistake? We don't say on the newspaper. It should be, I saw that news in the newspaper. Because when something is inside an object, like inside a newspaper, we use in. If it were on the surface, like a table, we'd say on. Sentence 3. Open page 45 of your book. Sounds okay, but there's a better way to say it. The correct version is, open your book to page 45. Why? Because we open books, not pages. Pages aren't closed, the book is. So we say, open your book to page 45. Sentence 4. The cat is sleeping in the sofa. Is the cat hiding inside the sofa? Probably not. The correct sentence is, the cat is sleeping on the sofa. Because the cat is lying on the surface, not inside the sofa. So we use on here. Sentence 5. My birthday is on October. This is a common mistake. We don't say on October. We say, my birthday is in October. Use in for months, years, and seasons, like in October in 2025 in summer. Use on for specific days or dates, like on Monday, on October 10th. Sentence 6. John has been absent from Friday. Something's wrong with the preposition here. We don't say, from Friday. We say, John has been absent since Friday. Use since when referring to a specific point in time, like a day or a date. Use for when referring to a period of time, like for 3 days. Sentence 7. Sophia is married with a doctor. What's wrong in this sentence? The correct version is, Sophia is married to a doctor. We say married to someone. Married with is used only when you're adding another detail like, she is married with 2 children. But when you mention just the partner, use married to. Sentence 8. Divided between the children in class. Sounds fine? Well, not quite. We use between when talking about 2 people or things. Here we're talking about many children, so we say, divided among the children in class. So, we use between when we are talking about 2 people or things. On the other hand, we use among when referring to more than 2 people or things. Sentence 9. It has been snowing from Monday. Can you fix this? We don't say from Monday. The correct sentence is, it has been snowing since Monday. Remember, use since for specific points in time, like Monday, yesterday, or 8 a.m. Sentence 10. The key of happiness is having dreams. Can you correct it? The right expression is, the key to happiness is having dreams. We always say the key to something. Examples. The key to success is hard work. Or, the key to learning English is practice. So, how many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Practicing with real examples like this helps you remember better and speak more naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to learn English naturally. See you next time. Bye and take care.